Today we have gathered here to celebrate the Constitution Day, also known as Samvidhan Divas. On this day in 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted the Constitution, a supreme law that defines our rights, duties, and principles to guide our nation. It also reminds us of the values like justice, equality, fraternity, liberty that shape India. As a responsible citizen, it is our duty to uphold these ideals in our daily lives. So, let us all remark this historic day with a preamble pledge. Everyone, pledge position. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign socialist, secular democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunities to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves the Constitution. Jai Hind.
Constitution is not just a way of life, it is the spirit of time itself. It was formed to establish a foundation for the nation, to create a stable framework for creating laws, and it defines the fundamental rights and the fundamental principles of the nation. Its importance, it establishes rule of law for everyone, including the government. It promotes national unity and diversity, and it protects the fundamental rights of the citizens. Thank you.